Hey guys, Big Dipper 351.
Cocaine 09.
We're gonna go outside in the snow. We just had the blizzard of 2011 here in Oklahoma. We don't get this much snow now. I know you guys back east and up north are used to this, but we're not. This is unusual. We get maybe 2 to 4, maybe 12 inches all year. We've got about 2 feet of snow already. We're under blizzard conditions. They beat a 100-year history in snow. This is outside the front door here. We're going to go out and clean off the truck. What do you think? I'm trying to pick your nose?
Here's the front door.
There's a snow drift. See? Across the street.
We'll show the trucks too.
Yep, we're going to walk out to the trucks. I'll end up dropping it. There's my poor truck.
And my truck's buried out there.
Yeah, his truck out there buried behind the tree. Holy shit. Feet, if you can see that. Probably shooting my crotch. Here. It's on. It's on.
Oh, you can see the truck there.
Yeah, you can see how deep this is.
That's how deep it is.
Look at the snow drift.
There's a snow drift on the hood of his truck.
Shut off.
Pretty damn deep for Oklahoma. I'll show you my truck real quick. There she is, my truck. It's kind of buried too, the same way. I didn't get no snow on my hood though, like you did, but kind of see how deep this is. That's how big the snow drift is. Whoa. There you go. That's a good example. It's covering the car. It's up over the wheel well, snow drift.
Look at that.
Goes up to about his dick there. There's a bed of his truck full of snow.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Big Dipper 351.
That little camera problem right there. We got it.
Spitting black. Copenhagen extra long cut.
Straight.
No, extra long cut.
Oh, you got extra one?
Yeah.
Oh, fucker. I got straight. I thought you had the same thing. You didn't.
Yeah. We got this little remote. We had some camera problems. I guess it won't pick up from this far away, so I had to walk up closer.
Love now.
Anyway, goddamn, my hands are freezing, guys. It's
This is the blizzard of Oklahoma. I guess you could say.
blizzard of 2011 in Oklahoma here still. We got just doing some more. I'll put this remote away so I can put my gloves on.
We normally don't get this much in Oklahoma. This is the first.
Yeah, we're out here now. It's still 3 below zero right now. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Last night it was 14 below. That's 14 below zero without a wind chill. That's normal. No wind chill, there's no wind. Freezing our ass off.
Yeah. He's got a full drive truck. I'm trying to do it here in my truck, little one-wheel thing. Hey, it worked. I got back here, but we're just a couple blocks away from the house back at a school.
Yeah.
They plowed the parking lot, so they figured it'd be somewhat easy to get in here.
Our house is actually just on the other side of this building, the next street over. This is country, and you get out here, you go out in the country after this building over here. Well, you can't see it, I shot it earlier. It's all country out there.
Yep. Out of town, but
yeah, kind of cold out here today. It's going to be this way. School's out again tomorrow. They've been out all week.
All week, only went Monday. It's their only day of going.
Got
Thank God.
a little pond over here we fish at in the summertime. Just got some little perch.
You ain't doing much now.
Yeah, it's frozen now, so. Got a big mountain of snow back here, but
Hell, you guys
I'm
want
a little bit closer so you can see us. Maybe you can hear us. I don't know if you can hear us before.
Hopefully you can hear us. Here, you want to shoot something real quick? I'll go
Spitting black.
I'll go spin it real quick.
Yeah. He'll spin it around a little bit. Careful on the dry land.
Got it.
I'm right here, guys. I'm just getting ready to move this thing and pan around when he goes. Hold on, I gotta get the tripod. Little mini pod. Okay, we'll kind of pan around as he goes here. There you go. Bye. Spitting black. Bye.